Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you steering wheel button functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control, vehicle radar, speed limiter, and front assist. Also, we can change distance from the following car for ACC. So via this button we can enable ACC speed limiter front assist, and via this button we can change its mode. Thanks to these two buttons we can change volume of the radio. Now on the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through the instrument cluster, activate voice assistant, change instrument cluster view, and manage assist systems. Thanks to these two buttons we can change radio station. Also we've got paddles behind the steering wheel, thanks to which we can change the gear manually via automatic gearbox. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.